Hey, it's Justin, Sexton Lawn and Landscape, doing a fun one today. It's a retaining wall. It's kind of what we call a light duty. It's not really so much of a load-bearing wall like a landscape block wall would have to be. If you've got a small area that's not draining well, or you're losing some soil, in this case, a lot of our soil from this property was running downhill to the neighbor's property. It's made out of railroad cross ties. It's treated with that creosote. It's made to be weathered. Wet conditions is not a problem. It will last a couple of decades usually. Couple things I want to illustrate and point out. If you're having one of these built, you want to make sure you have what we call a dead man. We've got several of these going back into the hill. Those are pinned down and secured to give us some restraint as that soil gets wet and wants to push out. Another thing you'll see, we always put landscape fabric behind these things so that soil does not work its way through the face of the wall on the opposite side. And Caleb, if you can kind of show them here, see how the wall is running up into the hill. That's going to add some strength as this thing restrains the soil it's going to be holding back. So just want to show you, if you need a retaining wall, those real expensive $50 per square foot walls are not always required. A lot of times they are, but there are some alternatives in some cases where we can use a much less costly material to achieve those results. If you've got something like this going on and need it fixed up, give us a call. Sexton Lawn and Landscape, 626-3309.